Okay, this is a trip on a train from Kulaura Mulibazar going to Dhaka. The lastminute.com thing, so as you can see is basic. This is like, I think it's the one of the medium seats. I shall show you later on the cheaper ones and the better ones. But why is it rough? It is very, very rough on this train. As you can see. Very filthy, very noisy and cramped. 2019, but when you look at these trains, it's like we're in the 40s again. Dirty windows, switches for the lights, and leg room, disgusting, awful. But for the native Bangladeshis, plenty. As you can see, everyone else is comfortable except me. But hey ho, lastminute.com thing. There's someone on the train over there, as you can see, trying to sell. They're like scarves, I think. They call them sadar. Sadar is just basically what these fellas are wearing over there in the white. Like a hospital blanket. Okay, I shall show you some more later on. Bye bye for now. Okay, what it is, this gentleman here has made arrangements for a little mini cabin for two. It should become more comfortable than this, as you can see. So let's go and have a look. We'll go through the train. It is very violent and shaky in here, I tell you that. Very noisy. These are the cheaper ones, I think. This is the cafe area. As you can see, man's preparing tea. There's the kitchen of the train. Don't know how they do it though. Check, let's have a look. It's like being in a Bollywood movie in the 60s. Do you want to see the toilet? We'll show you the toilet. The epic train toilet. Let's have a little peek. There you go. That's all you get. Just hold the walls, everybody, when you're using this. These are the cheaper seats. Engine room, engine. This is the the cabin. Nothing special, as you can see. Lighter doesn't in it. Yeah, it will do, but apparently this is first class cabin. First class cabin. Oh, is the fan on? Sorry, mate. Yeah. And to get the order, mini. Ada way over. Paano agad lang? Nah, tigas. Hindi na balas. Is that the bathroom? Oh, let's have a look. Good evening. I'm the cute guy. Order really. That's first class. Hey, we got a UK toilet here. A sit-down toilet. The train has stopped somewhere. Where are we, mate? Shamsinagar. Shamsinagar or Shamsinagar. Let's have a peek outside. 2 in the morning. Still very live. Got a few shops over there. Sorry about the noise. Very noisy in here. By the way, this time of the year very cold in Bangladesh. Early January. Is he the director, engine director? Yeah. What's his name? Train Basically, we're paying an extra 300 takas to sit in here. Extra 300, which is only about £2.80 for an upgrade. Basically, the guy behind this guy is going to pocket that money. As you can see, the dodgy deal is going down. Yeah, man's putting it, he's pocketing it. Yeah. Alright, something like that, okay. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're here to have a cup of tea. This gentleman is going to make us a few... Yeah, I am. He's going to make us a cup of tea here. Just so busy and wobbly and crazy on this train. Tell you that. Oh, fadda. Gentleman is selling nuts. What are you Badam there. Yeah, we'll have some. Yes, badam. Yeah. Badam turalo. Stirring a cup of tea, as you can see, very difficult. It's all wobbly. I can't even hold the phone, the camera straight. Wow, this is crazy. Hold on, we got some badam nuts, monkey nuts. Yeah, no, Mafia doni. Boy here is selling nuts here. How much is that? 10 takas, 8 pence. Not bad. Sarda moto. Even the cup of tea, 10 takas, 8 pence again. 8 to 9 pence. Okay, we have a gentleman selling us Sana suit. Basically, it's Bombay mix, but he's gonna do the full works. Oh no. So that's the Bombay mix going in there. Lemon juice. You take it there? Salt. Peanut oil. What is this there in it? Basically these guys sell snacks. That's what they do for a living on the train. 10 packers, again 8 to 9 pence. So not a lot at all, is it? Yeah, he puts a bit of salad in there, cucumber, tomato, onions, lemon juice. Again the oil. How is it? It tastes nice, mate. Is it nice? I don't know. 5.5 hours. 5.5 hours. Kulaura to Dhaka. What a rough journey that was. That's the train there. As soon as you come off, there's a lot of taxi touts trying to offer a lift with nice cars and etc. and this, that, and the other. Just gonna go over flyover now. So we can go over the rail tracks. 6 in the morning. There's a lot of people at this time in the morning. This is it. This is the outside. This is the airport station.
House building. House building. Kunda.
Basically 100 taka fare, driver wants 200. So we said no. Might as well walk it. We're all here, yeah? How's the driver today? You alright, mate? Assalamu alaikum. Bala said.
Bangla pare namne? Bujhiben? House building.
English? You know how to speak English?
No English, Arabic.
Arabic? كيف حالك لباس؟
Alhamdulillah, tamam wallah, كويس.
That's all I know, mate.
صباح الخير.
Yeah, very good there, buddy. Right, from the word go, traffic everywhere. Buses, local buses, public buses. Let's not forget it's a city.